Hi, my name is Arthur Miller. I'm the owner of Tech Art. I'm here to introduce our engineer, Dean Isaacs, who will take you through the installation steps.
Let's begin the installation process. Here is how to convert your existing tables with 15 tube trays to the MAXTime 4H. First, remove all hardware as well as the padding and layout. Secure an appropriate plug on both sides of the existing opening to ensure a proper width to fit the MAXTime 4H. Enlarge the opening of the table to fit the length of the rack. Use the template on our website to make the notch to fit the whole card reader. Once a proper fit is ensured, pad the table and install the layout as usual. Replace the lock with your existing cam lock. As you can see, with our new MAXTime 4H unit, the whole card reader is always in the best spot for game protection. Thank you for watching the installation video on the MAXTime 4H. If you have any further questions, please contact us at the following.